Mañana para no perdernos nada. Nada.
There can be no victory. The darkness always returns. Legends tell that these words were spoken by Sigmar, the first emperor. Some believe he had a vision of what was to come. But Sigmar uttered truth, not prophecy. The darkness always returns. Always. When the Skaven conquered Ubersreik, the flame of defiance guttered. The Reichland should have been lost, but heroes arose, and the vermin tide was repelled. Desperate for revenge, the Ratmen struck a pact with the barbarians of the Chaos Wastes, the worshippers of the Dark Gods. Once again, the Reichland stands upon the brink. Once again, heroes are needed. And yet, in the very hour of victory, the saviors of Ubersreik were taken, seized by the treacherous foe. With every dawn, hope fades. After all, if the greatest can fall into darkness, what chance can there be for those who remain?
Blimey.
Bueno, espero behintzat nivelak eta dituen nivela lortuta izatea. Ikusiko dugu. Tutoriala delako. Y epa laguno con Detroit las tochas. Kanalera honetan bidea. Honetara eta tornazten modela Rudenez DLC berri bat, apur bat entendatzeko baliagarri izango da zuzenekoa.
What? You have failed us again. You Irat. You swore the bet was win.
My most humble and devout apologies. Fierce, brutal shadow. Told it. Set back. We made it. Fix this. Improve it. Better.
But more sniveling. I have an endless horde of luckless bleeding, ravenous for slaughter.
Otro 40.
Pull me. Come on.
Ugh, my soul.
You don't need that one anymore, mate. Oh, I've been waiting for this.
Eres el de tu laguna.
I'm almost impressed, Kruber. Armed and free already. I was just about to help you with that cage.
What? Alicia?
Yes, it's me. I'm here to help you escape. And with the Skittergate shaking up this place, the time is now.
Yeah, all right, but
You were on your way to being sacrificed, so you can thank me later. Now go, find the others. I have work to do.
Alicia, hello? Right then. Well, down's the only way.
To the strong.
You're gonna pay for my cage treatment, you rotten bastard! Ruger in cage and daily beatings doesn't bode well for you! Die, will ya? Oh, you're asking for a belter, rat face! You like that? Get it together! Die, will ya?
Vale, Orbardin de agua.
Rust and vengeance, grudge and dread, we march into the afterlife! Huh. Guess I found my first one. Azumgi! Ha ha! Get me out of this thing! Aye, I'm on it, Gorringson. Won't leave without ya.
Pues se da.
Rat bastard! Die, will ya?
Voy a desembarcar en Villa.
Well, the more tools, the better. Better get that bow.
Oh, hi. A ver. Bardin, Bardin, Bardin. A ver. Juan Rodríguez. A ver. A ver. Vale, vas en hora.
Win her hand with songs of old, Cromwell, scale, and horn of
A ver.
Bardin, hush! Keep a lid on it, all right? There you are, as down into the rack! Move those long legs of yours!
Vai. Aston Martin.
Not so roughneck stabber, Sunky. You fair crack me head open. Ungrateful bugger, ain't you? Is that bandages over there? Aye, I'll fetch them. Have to patch you up. Second your sweet time, aren't you? That did the trick. Thanks, Azungi. Now, try that lever over there by the gate. Will do. Let's find the others. All right. Ready to kill your way out of here? Ha! You madwits and you stupid
Vale, a ver que Lily anda.
Oh, no, you don't.
We do. Hi, I heard ya. Did Alicia help you out?
Aye, she did. She set up some kind of portal for us on the surface. One eye is already there.
And Sienna? Alicia. So, imagining things.
A ver.
Gotcha. All familiar sounds, mates. Vermin are being burned.
Aye, good.
Está llena.
Oh, this bloody thing, there's gates, I mean, what did the crow call it?
The Skittergate. But no time for gawking, Marcus. Move! The Skittergate. But we need less talk and more lifting platform, Mayflies.
A ver. Más semana.
So far, this definitely beats the cage. But then again, we're going up a bloody high cliff on a Skaven contraption. Don't remind me of Ungi. Raki Ungak platforms are more lethal than their Ungak weapons.
Listen, we're not dying from anything rolled by Skaven paws today, darling. Not after this.
Can we talk about that? I mean, this, a solid shit again. Northlanders and Skaven together. Alicia in my head.
And the eternal shame of being filled and caught by a rat.
Ah, you're very Grumney's name, are we?
Vale, ordenando a Vix.
Darlings, one at a time.
Salpiste.
From what Alicia told me, we have a disaster to deal with. But I think we all had that figured out. And yes, apparently we're in Helmgart. The remains of Helmgart. The weave is in agony, twisted and torn asunder by corruption.
Toll's teeth. Back to normal for us then. Remember, we're not clear yet, mates. Find that portal and Saltspire. Are we seriously about to hop into some magic Ungak, expecting to come out in one piece?
To me! No dawdling or gawking. It is good that you all made it out.
Aye, it's good to see you too, Grim.
Vale.
Blessed Sigma, the world drowns in corruption. Your empire is aflame with heresy. The faithful perish, and the wicked multiply. Blessed Sigma, lend me your strength. Grant me the will to purge the corrupt, to smite the heretic, to bring hope when hope is lost. By the comet and the hammer, I pledge to the coming battle. I vow not to waver and never retreat. To stand tall against the flames of perdition. To drive back the shadow of chaos with your holy light.
Finished praying, have you?
Where is your patience, Master Dwarf? Have I ever let you down? Victory favors the faithful. Let us teach them fear. For Sigma and the Empire!
Vale. Bai, potzekin aurrera.
Welcome to our keep. Not as homely as the Red Moon, perhaps, but it's safe, secluded, and sturdier than it looks. Most importantly, it's ideal as a secret base from which to wage a war of resistance. Or rather, Alicia has made it ideal. The portal she opened up to bring you here is powerful Ulgu magic. The Bridge of Shadows. It's what we'll use to get you people to where you need to be. A lot quicker than our old cart, I tell you. So take a look around the place, and when ready, have a gander at the map. There's always work to do. If you're gonna go out fighting the good fight against these here pack spawn, you're gonna need the right gear. Stop by the Emporium. So, there's no sign of Drachenfels himself, which is either a good thing or inevitable, depending on how close you cleave to rumour. Nevertheless, you have unearthed a sorcerer with a filthy penchant for cavorting with demons. I don't have to tell you what to do about our fat little friend, do I?
Vale, hago así la... Ya.
Let us not speak of this moment.
He's not rousing from that!
That rot hell might test us, Mayblade.
Put it on the far side, Gruber, you filthy bastard!
That looks like what you lot would call
We need a
healing
path back
path.
to the upper floor.
Come on, Dory! Shield vermin among them! Looks like stairs to me.
Round that gunner!
Motion's going down me gob.
Vale, va a ser.
What's the place to slay your thirst for it? This place itches at our memory.
Gotcha! They were fired!
Do you hear that? An armored rat ogre.
Not rat ogre. Is there anything they've not stitched to it?
This way!
On
Really? I suppose you're going to blame your short arms.
Shoddy shoving gag. Join me up. Yeah. Poison rat. Find it. Kill it. Get rats. Get. Bagoraki with steel.
That stay out of its sight.
So that's it.
Gunner's dead. I need ammunition. Even your wounds have wounds to warp.
Each kill adds a portion of my blast count. Keep it up!
Gotcha. Someone kill that fucking straggler.
Dead pug now is a sight for song. Impressive, Gorickson! But wipe that spittle from your mouth.
What's this?
Venga ya. Sigara berriro. Ez gara guizan gainera.
Nice night, ain't it? Probably. So, there's no sign of Drachenfels himself, which is either a good thing or inevitable, depending on how close you cleave to rumour. Nevertheless, you have unearthed a sorcerer with a filthy penchant for cavorting with demons. I don't have anything to do about our fat little friend, do I?
I know, right? Talking's still fresh.
This way.
I want its logs.
Please, no.
Huh? Say what?
Well, let's hope this works.
Can you not sense it? Like duck riding through the breeze.
Chaos Warrior!
Bloody Sigmar!
What happened to you? You used to do anything for a coin and a full tankard. Are those days truly behind you, or is this just an act?
Yeah? What's your point?
I heard that.
Is anyone else hearing voices? Whispering?
Saltspire always hears voices. Mad ones.
So you hear nothing? Elf?
Nothing at all. Leave me be.
Now that's a Globadir. Assassin rats.
There's a fire out nearby.
Se aguanta teklatu altuera ezberdinen esatea ez dago esarik onena.
Follow me! You've a good aim!
Have you ever wondered what the Pact-Sworn might pay? You could be a power, a warlord, a king.
Go
or not someone else?
Are you talking to yourself?
Glomadier's got to blow!
A ver. No es verdad. Sé broma que las he dado.
Raining again? Gets a body down, it does. So, there's no sign of Drachenfels himself, which is either a good thing or inevitable, depending on how close you cleave to rumour. Nevertheless, you have unearthed a sorcerer with a filthy penchant for cavorting with demons. I don't have to tell you what to do about that little friend, do I?
Cussed Blightstormer! My shield and I will get this done!
You think that's a lot? Nothing.
Blood everywhere! And the
God, who brewed this muck? No sorrow, Taskmaster.
blessed Sita! Shelter me!
What did you say?
Listen,
Watch the lie, Dory. Otherwise,
feel the wind breathing. Blightstormer.
Blightstormer? God!
Light through!
Long way down from here, isn't it? Be more careful where we tread.
Assassin, Dory! Assassin! I hear over there!
Back when I was in...
Really? Were they accomplished in that film?
I couldn't tell you.
I went back that evening, we've been rounded up and dragged away by your lot. Not the audience, too.
How shocking. No incident.
Listen up! Isn't this the way to the throne room? Can't hurt to look in there.
¿Verdad que se engañé?
Don't let me die with my boots on. I don't get you need to heal.
This is the place. By the hammer, I'll see justice done.
The healing draft here. Oi!
Get out of my head!
Hey, did you speak?
Bai, gogoratzen dut bosa, zei bat ere gustatzen. Ez da okerrena,
Bow before Nurgle, raise my name, and you may yet live.
Yeah? Well, we're the bloody Uber's right almost high. Oh, death.
Ah, caca.
You're back. Yeah, that bloody hurts.
You need aid, Kruber.
Help hand, sir. Oh, little help. Up you get, Martin. You Obi-Wan. Bloody battering ram, that's what I am. I'm a force to the flame. Rumney singing scorn, I'm down. You are no match for me. Reckon I'm done for. This plan is cousin up. Wrongly done.
A ver.
Don't stay up too late. I've got work for you to do. According to Alicia, the villagers of Tokstad have commissioned a warding stone from Karak Asgaraz. Keeps the ghosties at bay, you know. Only they're worried about it getting through. The Grey Mountains ain't exactly safe. That's where you come in. Meet the convoy, strut your stuff, and all will be well. Better get to it.
Vale.
Hello? Hello? Is this thing working? Oh, this crystal ball's filthy. Looks like the convoy's had a bit of a mishap. You'd better hurry.
Move with a purpose yet? When it's matter in these climes. If you don't mind, I'll not be singing. I don't want to set another one off.
Tenemos hombre gauzak topatzen eta hori eta eramaten.
Nothing living in this lot, poor sod. Anyone have eyes on the runestone?
That bloody thing could be anywhere. Back up to bits. You're handy in a tight spot, you know that?
Bueno, le hago así a...
Shot, quaddles, arrows, a fine supply. What's that up on the ropeway?
It's an ill wind, I suppose. At least you can complete the delivery.
Sin vela.
Well, that's no good. Our work is not yet done.
Wait.
Onwards!
Up, Carillion! The road is long. I hear the gas rat.
Have a care! Hook rat!
Fire rat! Poor little hook rat! What a shame!
There, gas rat.
Fire is too good for vermin. The fire is all congested and gifted. Ambush, is it? I'll enjoy this.
Serve them to us! Make them pay!
What's that skunk fiery damage done?
Judging by those rat men, the avalanche might have done us a favour.
Así está, le la otra.
Bloody rotbloods, bloody ratmen. This is getting worse all the time.
Es como la tío.
Stop embarrassing me, Carillion. Up. Oh, it tastes vile.
You talent wizard! My sisters can teach you a thing or two, assuming you can kill them first.
You make a trip to the forest realm sound so appealing.
Won't be any worse than here.
Rattlerat! Kill them! Oh, come on! Did the stairs shut?
We know that for Rat Ogre!
You need to lower that bridge, I reckon.
As you say. Beware the poison grenadier!
Can't keep going!
The witch in the millstone around my throat!
Fire! On its way!
Right! We need your flame!
Ya.
Down here, are you all blind?
Me está
What
escuchando yo.
fire throwers? Golden locks of fire rats! Can't lie, I'm not feeling great.
Vale, ves todo el derivado, vale.
Come on! Kruber's down! You haven't yet earned death, Kruber. Ammo here, mate!
A ver.
You have
Mana
earned this much,
gehiagik
witch.
erabiltzen nahi zaratzo.
Mayflies! I need help!
Come on, Cerulean! Up here! A vile brew makes no mistake. A bridge is in position, darling!
Ah, fit for the hunt once again.
For the egg! A Glubadier! Hold your breath and shield your eyes!
Dead Strangler! You want a dog? Can't feel my hands. I need healing.
Your fire is feeding Sienna.
Pero baina behatu behar dira pesa
I
batzu.
know that sound. It's a rattling gun.
It's scurrying as light as a zombie. Well done.
Mind the each own, Slay.
Shield bearers, you'll burn the same.
Listen, fire.
Work fire!
Sienna, don't leave us. Another dead weapon rat.
A fleeting shadow!
The head out. The head.
There it is! At last. Time for a potion. Is it too much to ask for a moment of respite? Now what? I'm not letting you stand on my shoulders, Mayflies.
Help me! Bastard!
Anyone have some healing? Or an arm they ain't using? You wounded, Crowab?
The cogs are missing. I wonder if they're still around.
That's a runner!
Kindling everywhere! Time to burn!
No, not yet.
You seem sluggish now. Can you still fight? Shit! I have failed you! Find your wounds, peasant!
Cuidado. Venga ya. Benetan.
Bit of rain today.
Benetan. Zer gertatu da?
You go on and on about Lumberfoot's elf, but again it's you and no one else the others are...
Mark my words. Large glowing rocks plunging out of the skies only ever bring misfortune. It seems Aldrin thinks so too, because she wants us to take a look, Dowie. Bring your best weapons, because my toes are twitching about this one. That I hold with magic, and I'm glad not to have walked all this way.
We shall have to trust that Lona knows his business. If he does not, I shall have words.
I don't like this, Mayflies. The Weaver's weeping.
Se te va a dañar dado caso.
Yeah, give that looter a kicking. Rats, rats, rats. Everywhere we go, bloody rats. Aldrin's got something for you! That potion might be handy.
Almost safe enough for an elf. A drunk, plain elf.
Fire! Fire!
Rowling gun! There!
The gunner's dead!
Hay que pasar por la vida alternativa, vale. O sea, y este cobre segada. Ez duk goratzen ontzen zehaz.
Sorry, doorbell rang.
Feels wrong. Dead everywhere. Some smell from the dawn.
Here they come.
More fun on the battlefield than anywhere else, mate. Fighting warfire with steel and shot is no laughing matter. Escaping gunner thinks to surprise us. Yeah, That rabbit's dead.
We need a barrel to blow out some walls.
Spawn heading this way. Let's be ready for it. We get all the filthy jobs, don't we?
We need a barrel to blow out one of those walls.
With this, I toast victory.
Bogger! I thought it might be Bogman's, but it's only a portion. God's wrong, charging!
Bestia barbara.
So that's it!
Listen! Leech!
Life Leech is dead!
Watch the line, Rick. Otherwise, a storm of push and pull will sweep you off. Lovely shot!
A Blightstoner! The air thickens with filth!
Come along, Jory. Need to get through this mountain.
Strangler!
Strangler's dead. Get down, Jory! Oh, I don't like that chant, mate. There's a standard flying. No more banner.
There!
No es verdad como vivo, tía.
Seethed with magic! What devilry is this?
Potion here!
Gauza da, DLC honekin,
Quickly now!
gizaki piztienarekin, lortzen dituzun gauzak, DLC agabezen dituzula gero, zuretzat izan. Voy a Cristo putada.
Got the hook rat!
Gerber! Keep killing like this and I'm gonna lose my bet.
Bet? rats! What bet? Don't you listen to her, Azungi. You know how she gabbles on. Opening order! See over there? That tree crosses the chasm. Oh, hope I'm drinking. Poison man, find it. Incoming. Eat my steel, gas rat. I killed the hook rat. Portion here. I can't vouch for the taste.
What's it?
Cross the bridge! It's down, Dory! Reckon I hear a gun rat. The gunner's dead! Here, warp fire throwers. Careful with those bombs, Saltzman. Stand before the way. Don't lecture me, Sorensen. Don't bloody let's spend, Grimgate. I spend my blood willingly. The flank. Someone smash that bloody flank. Hold on, let me drink this. Come on then, Vestigo!
Eleanor and his children will work in this place, Mayflies. Let us hope they don't bring them.
Ah! No, nice! Come on, mate! Destroy that standard!
Flag them.
Standards on! Just as fine thing! By the hammer! Supplies attack!
Kill that fire rat! I don't want to burn!
The warp fire thrower is no longer the threat.
Vale, con tus.
leech!
Archers! Kill them all! Sorry!
May I remind you, you are not invincible, dwarf!
I have you, Master Dwarf.
Oh, me red.
Lads! Over there! Kill the water!
No, not yet.
That's another leak down! Not the wind, was it? Kill the sorcerer! Mind your wounds, sir! You ain't worth much dead!
I feel the winds riding, Light Stormer.
Grimoire over here. At those houses where we were before, Victor.
Oh, yeah.
This of course begs the question, is it wise to have two grimoires on us?
That rat's got a reach, all right.
Is that a potion?
Test your hook against my axe, would you?
The Pathfinder is slain!
Judgment finds you!
There are assassin eyes in the dark.
Cook! Assassin! Take Thorfinn Rock!
Vale, tenéis una idea. Aquí.
Here up, Dwarf, you're fooling no one!
The standard taken care of. Got something for you!
Take their blood!
More exactly! Fisting all stopping about! Ah! Fit for the hunt once again!
Next time, we'll eat it right.
That bastard Blightstormer!
Potion! Don't waste it.
The Bastigar! It's charging! It's moving! All you have to kill the Zillah's Goomy! Blightstormer! End his chance!
One more archer! What shall your messenger of the sword? The weak holds me back. I am lost my chance. Write me down.
Sigma! Get that elf in the back! There! Not alive! Please, Sigma! The standard has fallen! Other force the flame! Have a care. I hear a storm, sorcerer. Double the discipline! Down it is!
A ver, vamos a ver.
That's the tread of a Blightstormer Mayflies. We'll see his fat face soon enough.
Take their skulls!
Quite hard over that standard up! Standard backward! Let's get this over with! It's down, boy!
Raven's out here.
I am journey! Archers! Over there! That was a bit close.
Leech! I hear it.
Something for you!
You think that's a war? Lovely.
Ah,
Let the weeds be a man!
No more! Ah, you're getting the knack of this! They'll go to clear a path, I'll give her that!
Bringing pain!
Tirori daukat, baina Vale, hor da
Hurry,
gure
Mayflies,
helburua.
hurry! Will you hear their chant? We're running out of time.
Healer's satchel!
I hear the Pale Queen.
You're in a bad way, Witchelgi. Hold up, Witchelgi, that needs binding.
Ay, gracias.
Oh, thank you.
Portion over here!
No, I will not let this be. We'll use the corruptor sorcery against them. If the ritual is disrupted,
Oh, wretched to whatever nonsense they're brewing. I like it. Well, never let it be said that Mother Kruber's favourite son ever shirked certain death. Ordi! Some more ammunition here. This post had better it fast. This shall redouble my zeal.
What's then?
Let's do this.
Jones, give me a flag bearer. Stand as the key, mates! Standard needs smashing and quickly!
feeding gods.
You're a bit bloody, Gil. I feel the dark gods reach out for me.
Just an observation, but
Stay together.
Not sure you deserve this, if you will. There's only a scratch on the Get back up, Albert. Now, picking fire!
Au.
Go! Well, boy, so that's how it is. For God's sake, someone destroy that bloody standard! Hell!
Bueno.
You get used to keeping odd hours in this job.
Yes!
No, not the famous one.
So, Lorna wants a distraction, eh? Not a problem. I was put on this world to be distracting. We'll head for the Temple of Sigmar and get the bells ringing. That, along with wreaking a bit of carnage along the way, should do the trick.
It falls to us to provide a distraction. Very well.
I understand we're approaching the city wall. What can go wrong with that?
That's okay. Don't waste that.
That rat's dead.
Ah, fine shot, no mistake.
Take that potion. It might be useful.
Fire rat, careful or you'll burn.
A Globadier is here!
Let the weeds feel there!
Another rat-man contraction falls silent.
My lungs!
Hail of warp shot inbound!
Yeah, that ratling's dead.
Ow, this is fire!
warp fire thrower.
Fire rat's dead. Good killing, Uber. You're at the British Pure Regiment. No service, sir. We all crackheads and trained all.
Same cause. Yes, of course. Us too, alike.
This street holds the key. Oh, Landlord, you're unstoppable. Get it off me! Is that the word of a Blackling gun? The gunner's dead! A valiant strike! Grover! Check your shots! This better taste good.
A ver. ¿Dónde va ese?
Portion over here!
Chaos Warrior meat lice.
Todavía dura de nada.
Looks like stairs to me.
Dead is dead. We can do nothing for them.
So perish all heretics, mighty and frail alike. Yeah, a lovely drop. Hang on, Jory. I'll give this portion a go. Oh, rat ogres are bad enough without flame spouters. Heretics are cowards all. They hide from the righteous.
To last.
New priority. Kill that warp fire thrower now. Please, sorcerer, come to me. Come, play bandit. Don't take a rat in half. Last night, I shouldn't wonder. We're all good,
Right.
Fire rat's dead. See, there is a lifting platform. Can't waste the drop. Well, this is the right plague monks coming in. Test forces! Oh, not bad!
Eyes that gleam in the dark. Assassin! The Hookrap! Cruel amongst the cruel kin.
Hook rat! Kill the hook rat!
Heads down, mayflies!
You see that? With the zombie around, reckon I can take things a little easier. It's nothing. Just training, that's all. Besides, couldn't do it without you.
Ah, the stink of it. There's a scryer rat close.
Flame spouter! Kill the rat who bears it! Ammunition stashed! Come on, Dory!
Off we go! It's not Bugman's, I'll tell you that.
We got the hook rat! I think that's a Glober deer.
Its scurry is light as rubber.
Hold on! It's going to blow! That stinkers will get! Bloody haters! It's down, boys!
A terror ambush, even for them.
Kill that fire!
Taste vile.
Give them hell! Come on to bloody Freaking pain! One moment. So much for that assassin. Here we go. There.
Healing potion there.
Kill that gas rat! Healing Holy Sigma! Bless this ravaged body!
Vale, va a ser una horrera.
The door! Move! Up the stairs! From here! We cannot simply walk through solid oak.
I hate to suggest this, but can we not turn that crane? That cannon might serve.
Yes. A Skaven gunner thinks to surprise us. That's a hook rat! Yes, he killed the hook rat! Listen, fire rat.
Foolish to face his head on.
Louvedeer! Gods, I cannot believe that a cannon
Down we go.
Healing draft.
Where the bloody
Kruger, why do you keep breathing that?
God hate me. Gas rat, get into gas rat.
Gas rat, not any longer. Some more ammunition here.
Just jump and press E.
It's up there.
You think a shield will stop me?
Not a bad drop, considering.
Potion here. Slaughter don't get easier to see.
Down here.
Regular potion.
It's this way.
Be careful! Gas rat! Back! Incoming!
Rally gun, there.
Reviving a potion. There's Doomy and the thirsty one. Someone kill that Grenadier!
Por la madre de la tierra.
Strangler's dead.
I can continue so long as the bindings hold. Yeah, this doesn't look good, does it? I know, I'm on foot.
Yes. In the Dunglish, the low road. Glad together! Set the buggers back in the
Ha! Assassins! These assassins dead! There'll be more!
Elias, helm, and Grenadier! With Chaos Warrior story.
What if Drakira's name is in this bottle?
Hotrat! That's a good zooming story. Here, assassin, I'm ready for you. One less assassin to worry about.
Still a medical kit down there.
Healing tools if you're feeling weak, Trengorazi.
With this, I toast victory.
They brought up a warp fire thrower.
Yeah! Dead flame spouter.
Make ready. We'll be busy soon.
Curse it, Blightstormer! Sing your song! Oh, that's costly for you! Let us buy Lona his destruction!
Lovely.
Gaslight needs to die!
That's a gas probe.
Opening up! Yes! Don't like that, do you, gas rats?
Don't let it trick you.
Piss on that rattling anyway! Kill the madman! Oh, it's not for you! The soul is willing, but the flesh requires binding.
Luminaire, bring it down.
You want to cook out that in glory? Kill that bloody Rakita! Robert! Stop spraying into the gas! The gas? Hey! That gas light's about to throw! Flame bolts incoming!
The door opens, and the future with it.
That's good work, Glory. Lorna should be pleased. Alicia? That's it.
Come, Wastelings, you find me ready.
Buena vuelta al nabo. Bueno, bat beintzatea ze dugu.
Hello there, and a fine evening to you.
Easy as Umgi. No sense being heartless, even against her. Over what?
The dead.
azkenengoa.
Ancient monolith, rot bloods, Raki. Talk of some ghastly fate of some bold and well-bearded heroes. Don't put the matter to rest. Sign me up, Dory. Sounds like a good time for all concerned. Well, us, anyway.
The monolith's only 1,000 years old. Barely an eye blink, mayflies. Now, Alicia's plan. You did pay attention.
Disgusting doomy pubos have no business making good rock tremble. I'm only touching them because it's doing the world a service. Shield vermin, watch out! Ratty black fur with a shield? Fall by my righteous hand!
Chciałem entzuten sartzeko prestala. Ahora que se me...
Down we go!
No idea what teamwork entails.
Ah! Now I'm pissed off! That's a good dummy, Dory. Stand clear of that hook!
Packmaster's dead!
This is the door.
Opening on it! Good, go! Bringers of plague! Take that pest to the head!
Right, hide!
So, it's a dark and stormy night, is it?
before.
Potions!
Stop showing off! You'll never be as good as Ockree. Healing draft here.
Down it is. Drinking a potion. I hope it's not spoiled.
Plague monks! Bringing pain!
It's up here!
Surface dwellers.
I found keys to some chests.
We do it. Redland proud God.
Vale, vasen ngora.
Strangler!
Sneak
Entra tu
Watch
ahí,
your backs! Not so good in a fair fight, assassin!
Black rat! Kill the one!
Poison rat! Find it! Kill it!
Taste Morgrim broth! Can't help but think we're not alone, Ringlerati.
I'm binding my wounds!
Vale, vasen.
Bloodlines! Can you not see this is the park?
Here they come! Let's give them a welcome! Give them hell! Come on, the bloody faces!
Plenty of fight!
Again, Gorrickson! Hit it again!
Think of it. There's a scryer at close. The wind! The sorcerer torments them.
Sing your song!
Thank Tom for all.
I see a Shillastumi over there! A Stormweaver! Stay close to me, I see the path.
Try not to waste this potion.
Nada, raid de agua.
Hold on, let me drink this.
Kill the fire rat!
Spring Brazzi while you still can.
That wolf-fire rat won't give us any more grief.
Get this little bastard off me!
That water's a bit lively,
No
mate.
kerro nada ikusi dudala.
Mom!
That shield will not save you, that man.
Yes, Morrison, let the blood flow!
I unleash Black Mountain.
Make it suffer!
Got the hot rod!
Have a care! Plague monks to deal with! Down here! Oh! That potion smells of ignorance.
Look lively, we're crossing here.
Grazie di signor.
Oh, that sound.
Rattling gunner. So many, let's drive them.
Es la magia Ori. Hanya que son tan nice.
It's a fine day today. Good weather for clobbering ratmen.
Partida verdiñan esta. Mercedes.
Fear not for the future. Sigmar sends his twin-tailed comet as herald to his coming.
Really? Because I always thought that comet presaged disaster.
Not always. Not always.
Bird var rib spreader. Bird var rib spreader. For that name alone, he deserves to die. Ugh, and die he will. Not for his ridiculous name, more's the pity, but for trying to locate Talshorn Keep. We can't have that, so let the bloody remonstration begin.
Slaughtered a champion in the heart of his camp? A true test of faith and mettle.
Northlanders burn. What more do you want?
There is nothing to fear, so long as we keep our courage.
Well, I suppose you have to hit sometime.
Visita llega luego.
I doubt that's the war camp. Wouldn't fit many Northlanders in there.
We've a leech by the sound of it.
I'll get you for that.
Yeah.
Feel my hands. Healing.
Life is leaving you, Wagonassus.
No quarter. Let none survive unseen.
Don't let me die with my boots on.
Your wounds need tending, Marcus. Slow down, Carillion. Make me some.
Only hurts when I laugh and when I breathe.
Sí, se me olvidaba por
We
mucho.
still need your strong right arm, Kruber.
Ammunition.
We'll get them all out, war! Right here, right now!
Light Stormer. I'll boil the flesh off his rotten bones. Which path? Make a good choice, darlings.
Let the weeds be avenged!
Yeah, that bloody hurts.
Heal yourself, Marcus. Now. You need healing, Guardian.
Kill him!
Lend me your might!
A gutter runner. Are you ready, mayflies?
War fundings!
Sneaky ratty, dead and done!
Look out, gas! Take a blow. Out of the way. Need a hand.
Your magic is strong, wizard, but your body?
I need help!
Oh no, run from the moon.
We killed the leech, Johnny! Well, take a few bottles together before you end. And to take off that keg of ale you downed last night, I shouldn't wonder.
A hook rat. Cruel amongst a cruel kin.
Ha! Strangler, strangler. Strangles no more!
Don't forget your beloved dwarf!
Aid will find you, Gullickson. I see a dwarf falls as readily as...
Still here? Just take a swing. There's more room here. Someone give me a real one.
Hold a moment while I drink.
Watch the shadows.
Revolting, but it could be worse. Bob, over here!
That Rekizar needs to die, and quickly! Strangler needs to die, Dory.
Ha! Strangler strangles no more!
Magic. Consuming me.
This is but the outer end of the way.
Gobbles,
We must keep going.
There, our destination in all its suspect glory. Come, Scunner, my disdain alone will fell you.
Receive the judgment from Sigmar!
Hey,
Someone should do something about the bodies. Busy fighting rats, just like us, I suppose.
Get ready to scatter! That's a gun rat! Nicely done, Dory. Sam don't won't bother us now. Rattling's dead, gas was it? Chaos warrior, Dory!
Whoa, slow down, Gordon. Leave some for the rest of us.
Don't think that'll be a problem, Saren. They're like fleas in a tile in alehouse.
'Tis true. We've never seen short of power.
Right, you don't.
Sikarama, elf! I've told you before!
Ah, why do the rockbugs love this swamp?
In my experience, Skunners, even you mayflies, will worship anything in a patch of filthy water.
Not all of us.
Oh, please. You call upon your past wizards as your touchstone. Wizards you know nothing about to save their names. Leech.
Double the discipline! The soul is willing, but the flesh requires binding.
This wizard has a present for you, Blightstormer!
The Blightstormer's finished.
I smell some ammunition!
We're through the outer defenses, but our work has barely begun. The battering ram! Bring it!
Ash, poison, the wisp of vermin. We've a warp fire
Have
drawer
the
to
warp
deal
fire
with.
thrower!
Ah, we'll slay them all. Let me your fight.
A dozen such swarms, and we'd end this in moments!
Northwood brother.
That war's a filthy mess!
A vile stench will Satan's skylab. Sienna, that gas is poison! Come, wizards! Brave hearts! Medical supplies!
We're inside! Now, let the holy slaughter begin!
Ah, you want another, Creepy? That's all you've got? Go on, hit me harder!
One moment.
Not sure there should be this much blood.
Your fire is feeding Sienna.
It's only a scratch. It's nothing natural.
Getting tired, darling. We still have a champion to play.
Sigma, let's stretch! Ammunition, fill your pouches.
You are surviving.
Ah, fit for the hunt once again.
You dare trespass on my domain? I shall face you alone!
You're mad, but as a madness I like. Ready yourself, wasn't? Hogger, I'm still standing! Fall, foul abomination!
Southlanders! Cash!
Hold that hand! Floppy technique! Get armor! Nice fight on! To the louse! Lona will be pleased, and I confess satisfaction at having laid that champion low. There's the portal. Now, was it? What glorious intervention!
That's a real red-hot move, darling.
Ah, generala. Beno lagunok, hau izan da dena, espero dut guztua esan zaizuela, eta horrengoan gehiago norbait dagoen raid egiteko. Hombre, aspaldiko partez gainera, raid berezi bat. Hombre, aspaldiko partez gainera, raid berezi bat. Hombre, aspaldiko partez gainera, raid berezi bat.